Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Volkswagen Passat. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a 19mm wrench, a 32mm socket, and a new oil filter. You will also need about 5 to 6 quarts of full synthetic 5W40 or 5W30 engine oil. Begin by warming up your engine for approximately 10 minutes to ensure the old oil drains easily. Then, safely lift and secure your vehicle using a jack and sturdy jack stands. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, it's time to drain the old oil. First, remove the engine's splash pan, which is typically held in place by about 10 fasteners. Next, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. It's usually a 19mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the hot, old engine oil to flow completely into the pan. With the old oil draining, let's move to the filter. Access the oil filter housing, which often requires a 32mm socket to unscrew. Carefully remove the old filter and replace its O-rings with the new ones provided with your new filter. Lubricate the new filter's rubber seal with a little fresh oil before installing it. Once the drain plug is back in, pour approximately 5 to 6 quarts of new, approved synthetic oil into the engine. After adding the new oil, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 22 foot-pounds. Start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil and fill the filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Finally, properly dispose of the used oil and old filter at an approved recycling center. Great job, your Passat is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.